Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fishing rod at home. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a sturdy bamboo pole, ideally 6 to 10 feet in length, which will form the backbone of your rod. Next, grab some strong fishing line, about 20 to 30 pounds test to handle your catches. Don't forget a sharp fishing hook, perhaps a size 6 to 10, and a small bobber or float. These simple items are the foundation for your homemade fishing adventure. Now that you have your bamboo pole, it's time to prepare it. Carefully clean and smooth the entire length, removing any rough spots that could snag your line. You might want to gently taper the tip. This gives your rod better flexibility and a more responsive feel when you're casting. For added longevity, consider applying a protective sealant or varnish. This step helps protect the bamboo from the elements, ensuring your rod lasts for many fishing trips to come. With your rod blank ready, let's attach the fishing line. Securely tie one end of your 20 to 30 feet of fishing line to the very tip of the bamboo pole using a strong, reliable knot. Next, we'll create a comfortable handle. You can wrap the base of the pole with electrical tape, cork, or even some sturdy cloth. This provides a good grip and makes your rod much easier to hold and cast. Make sure the line is neatly spooled or coiled, ready for action. Almost there. Now, attach your chosen fishing hook to the end of the line. You can also add a small bobber or a sinker, depending on your fishing style. Before heading out, take your new rod to an open, safe area and test its flexibility and casting ability. Practice a few casts to get a feel for it. Adjust the line length as needed for different fishing spots. With these final touches, your very own homemade fishing rod is ready for its first catch. Happy fishing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.